Hi friends, how are you? I have come up with a good topic for you. Coming to Android applications, most of all confuse which applications are trustworthy and which fake in Google Play Store because there are lots of apps in the Play Store that are not from the authorized developers and they are just made to steal the user data. For that, I have come up with this topic. Let's have a look at the method by which you can identify the fake apps in the Play Store. Here are some techniques to identify fake apps in the Google Play Store. The method is quite simple and straight, as you just need to analyze the app for some factors that will be surely different from the official app and you can judge that app is fake or not. So follow the below steps to proceed. Step 1. App name. One of the most common thing that you will find in the fake app is their name will be somehow similar to the official apps and something related to that. Like Facebook Messenger instead of Facebook Messenger and also like Android WhatsApp, etc. Where the official app is just WhatsApp Messenger, so you can judge the app from this also. Step 2. Developer name. Some of the users rarely check the developer name, but it is very important as in the fake apps. You will see some uncommon names, whereas in the official apps, you will see the well-known developer name. You can simply Google the developer names also to verify that app is genuine or not. Point 3. User review and ratings. Like might users must have installed this app and then after using the app they get to know that the app is fake or not. So they publish rating and reviews. You just need to check that it will clearly indicate how the app is. Please check 4 to 5 reviews to analyze the things. Point 4. Download rates. In official apps, you will see millions of install like in WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. But in fake apps, you will see very few installs. They are not that much popular and rarely installed by the people. So with this, you can clearly indicate that the app is good to install or not. Point 5. Screenshot. You can also analyze the screenshots of the apps, as the developer will mostly not paste the screenshots of the official app because the copyright issue, so they will publish a screenshot of their app where you can actually judge that app. Well, this way doesn't work every time, so you need to try all above also. Point 6. Use Google search. Well, this is another best way to find out if the app is safe or not. Users just need to search on Google like app name safe or not, or if app name safe to install. Google search will show relevant results, so you need to open those websites and check the reviews. You can also search the app name on Quora or Reddit to know whether the app is safe or not. So a little bit of Google search will help you to find a lot of about the app which you are about to install. Point 7. Check the permissions. Checking the permissions before installing any app is very important. Usually, we don't give any priority to the app permissions, but it shows a clear picture of the app which we are about to install and use. Well, it's pretty common for an app like Skype to have permissions to access call logs, SMS, media files. However, if a calculator app is asking to access call logs, SMS logs, GPS, read, modify storage, etc., then there is something fishy, so use your common sense to figure out what permissions that app really needs. If it's asking for extra permissions, then that's definitely the bad app. So use these methods and you can identify almost any app that is fake or not before actually installing it in your Android phone. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.